Welcome to my channel, guys. My channel name is 75 English Speaking Channel. So guys, today we are going to discuss about why Congress is important in Rajasthan 2023 elections, because in many cases we can see in Rajasthan around 30 to 35 years continuously we have seen what happened, because in Rajasthan people don't know what to do and how to do. They don't know, they switch parties, 5 years BJP and after that 5 years Congress. So this may be not happen, because it's a very danger thing. If I'm talking about the policies that government, that government issued, issue. So that time the party changed, so policy against change. So this process is not good for our Rajasthan. And other hand, if I'm talking about the exams, and also now uh, recently BJP win and won. So now it's if Congress wins, so they promised around 5,000 policemen, how to say, constable recruitments, and then they do lots of vacancies they create. So yeah, up now this now it now what will happen, if you think what will happen, because came BJP has come in in a, and how to say, satta, like I don't know the satta. So now in a high speak in Hindi, satta. Now BJP has come in satta, and you can see you can see majority, you can say majority. Now BJP has come in majority, and now the other hand, the BJP first thing that change, first thing BJP will change the exam. BJP party stop the exams, all the exams, and then after they creating exams by their own name. Like we create that, they increase 200 500 vacancy more, and then they release the date of vacancies. And yeah, also this is also a bad thing for our Rajasthan. And if you see if I'm talking about the Ashok Gehlot, so he did very well, because he did so many things in a Rajasthan. They they provided phones, and they provided ration, and so many things they provided. But people don't know. I don't know people why people doing this kind of mistakes, because yeah, I like Narendra Modi, everyone like Narendra Modi, but if you see uh, in a Rajasthan, no, in a BJP party, the leader is no one. How to let me think how to say. There's a no leader in a BJP party. There's a no leader in Rajasthan. And if you see, in other hand, Congress has a two guys, Sachin Pilot and Ashok Gehlot. These are the two leaders. If Sachin Pilot, Congress Congress promised Sachin Gandhi will be our next prime minister, CM, chief minister. So maybe the Congress win percentage will be could be high. Like if I'm talking about Sachin Pilot is a very good guy, and very how to say, it's a very good politician, if you see. Because in a past election, Congress party रेज टू कैंडिडेट्स फॉर सीएम पर, फॉर सीएम पद को क्या बोलेंगे, सीएम, आई डोंट नो, सो लेट इट बी।